In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write better prompts for Gemini. Clear prompts lead to clear results, and with a few simple adjustments, you can turn vague requests into polished, actionable answers. Think of your prompt as a creative brief. The more precise and purposeful it is, the better Gemini can deliver. Start by being specific. Broad requests force the model to guess what you want. Instead of saying, "Write about marketing," say, "Write a 200-word Instagram marketing strategy for small businesses." That tight focus tells Gemini what to write, how long to make it, and who it's for. Specificity sets useful boundaries and cuts down on irrelevant details. Next, add context so the model understands the situation and goals. "Make a plan" is open-ended. A stronger version is, "Make a 7-day study plan for learning Python as a beginner." Here you've clarified time frame, topic, and skill level. You can also mention your constraints, your audience, or the outcome you need, like preparing for a test or launching a project. Define the format you want. If you need structure, say so up front. Give the answer in bullet points, write as a table, or step-by-step instructions only. Format guidance reduces cleanup later and helps Gemini organize information the way you'll use it. Set a role to shape voice and perspective. Prompts like "act as a teacher," "act as a software engineer," or "act as a fitness coach" tell the model which lens to use and how deeply to go. A teacher explains concepts, a developer writes code and comments, and a coach emphasizes safety and progression. Add constraints to fine-tune the output. You can set a word limit, pick a tone like formal or casual, and choose a level such as beginner or advanced. Combine them when needed. Keep it under 100 words, use a friendly tone, and explain it for a beginner. Constraints help you match the content to your channel, audience, or deadline. Use examples to anchor style and structure. Say, like this, followed by a short sample, or follow this style, and paste a concise model. Even a few lines help Gemini mirror voice, pacing, and formatting. Keep examples brief and avoid any private or sensitive data. Finally, iterate. After the first response, refine your prompt, add missing details, and ask for revisions. Point out what to keep, what to change, and where to go deeper. Each pass makes the next answer sharper. Put these pieces together, and you'll consistently get results that are clearer, more relevant, and ready to use.